Good morning, everyone. We are at day 2 of the Hines project. You can see we did a nice overlay paver of the existing. Got a nice 6x9 border going in. This color is called Glacier, Old Town Glacier. Very beautiful color. Here we got the full thickness pavers coming into a future fire pit area. And then we're coming all the way down to the garage. Notice that we added a French drain which comes out to a pop-up emitter on the other side of the pavers. This prevents the streaking from the roof and washout on your pavers. So these are going to be extending all the way down to the end. You see we got our level, getting everything nice and controlling the water where we want it to go, and then adding another French drain to that pipe. As you can see, we got some erosion going on here, so we're going to control that erosion and put it where we want it to go. So get some lines popped here, keeping our pavers nice and straight, create some nice lines, so everything ends up looking like all of our other jobs, which is beautiful. We look forward to doing business with you. We'll be back tomorrow for some more pictures, and the job should be finished. Y'all have a blessed day.